Hi there, Bridget Mackay here with the law offices of Bridget Mackay in Petaluma, California. We focus on estate planning and elder law. And this is my final episode to go with the final episode of Game of Thrones around how the Game of Thrones series can inform our estate planning. So any of you who have not seen the last episode or the last season for that matter, this is a spoiler alert, so you may want to watch this video later. What struck me about the last episode, among many things, is how we follow the journey of the 4 living Stark children. And what struck me of how it relates to estate planning is when you are planning your trust, you really should take into consideration the individual needs of each of your beneficiaries. We saw Bran take over as the king of the Iron Throne for the 6 kingdoms in Westeros. And we saw Sansa take over the north with its own kingdom. Jon unfortunately went to the Wall. And we saw Arya take off to the east to find out where it goes. When you have children doing some drastically different things in their lives and you're planning for them in your trusts, you want to take into consideration who they are, what they're going to need. You know, Jon may need a spendthrift trust. He's not going to need a lot of money. And he may need that money, you know, sort of leaked out to him. Sansa takes on a lot of responsibility. Maybe she doesn't need as much from your estate or from the Stark estate as the others do. Clearly, Bran doesn't. He'll be taken care of for life until the next king comes. And only he can predict that. And yet Arya may need a lot of help because we don't know where she's going, what she's going to encounter, and what she may need, or how we'll even get it to her. These are the type of considerations you as a parent, just like the Starks, may or may not have done, related to our earlier blogs on this subject. But if the Starks could have, if Eddard and Catelyn could have put a trust together, they really needed to make those plans for their individual needs of their children. Because as we know as parents, each child has their own thing going on and they have their own needs. Just a little food for thought as you are either reviewing your trust or you're planning to do a trust. Any advice you need, please go to an experienced estate planning attorney to help you put those together.